Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Manifestumtra. Today I brought you a video on the theory behind manifesting using water. In this video, I will be exploring the science and metaphysics behind how water can help to accelerate the manifestation process. Water is a powerful element that is essential to life and has been used for healing and manifestation purposes for centuries. So, let's dive in. Water is not just a physical substance, it is also an energetic substance. Water molecules are constantly in motion and have the ability to absorb and hold energy. This means that the energy of our thoughts, emotions, and intentions can be absorbed by water and stored within it. When we use water for manifestation purposes, we are essentially using it as a tool to amplify the energy of our intentions and desires. One of the most fascinating aspects of water is its ability to retain memory. In 1988, Dr. Masaru Emoto conducted a series of experiments that showed how the molecular structure of water could be influenced by words, thoughts, and emotions. He found that positive words and intentions could create beautiful, symmetrical water crystals, while negative words and intentions could create distorted, unappealing water crystals. This phenomenon is known as water memory and suggests that water has the ability to store and transmit information. This means that when we charge water with our intentions and desires, the energy of our intention is stored within the water and can be transmitted to our body and environment when we consume or use the water. In metaphysical teachings, water is often associated with the emotional and intuitive aspects of our being. Water is said to have a cleansing and purifying effect on our emotions, helping to release negative emotions and enhance positive ones. It is also believed to help us connect with our intuition and inner wisdom, allowing us to gain insights and clarity on our desires and intentions. Water is also associated with the element of flow and the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and by aligning our energy with our desires, we can attract them into our reality. Water, with its ability to flow and adapt, can help us to align our energy with our desires and facilitate the manifestation process. So, how can we use water for manifestation? Here are some tips. Choose the right water. Use clean, pure water such as spring water or filtered water. You can also use water that has been infused with crystals, herbs, or essential oils, as these can add to the energetic properties of the water. Set your intention. Have a clear intention of what you want to manifest. Write down your intention in a journal or on a piece of paper and place it near the water you will use for manifesting. Charge the water with your intention. Hold the container of water in your hands and focus your intention on it. Visualize your desire being fulfilled and feel the emotions associated with having your desire fulfilled. Drink the charged water. Drinking the charged water will help to align your energy with your desire and accelerate the manifestation process. Express gratitude. After drinking the charged water, take a moment to express gratitude for the manifestation of your desire. This will help to amplify the energy of your intention and signal to the universe that you are ready to receive your desire. In conclusion, water is a powerful tool for manifestation that can help us to align our energy with our desires and accelerate the manifestation process. By understanding the science and metaphysics behind water, we can use it more effectively and intentionally to manifest our desires. So, go ahead and try using water for manifestation and see how it can transform your life. Thank you for watching.